Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take a closer look at the products that promise to make our daily routines easier, cleaner, and more effective. Today, we're diving into something that might just change the way you feel about your oral care routine. Philips Sonicare has long been known for revolutionizing the way we brush our teeth, and their ProtectiveClean 6500 and 6100 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrushes are no exception. If you've been searching for a better, more efficient way to whiten your teeth, protect your gums, and take your oral hygiene to the next level, you're in the right place. But before we jump into it, if you enjoy honest and in-depth reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on a new review. Now let's talk about these two toothbrushes that promise to take your brushing routine from average to exceptional. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500 and 6100 share a lot of similarities, but also have some key differences that might make one more suited to your needs. Let's break it all down, starting with their core features. These toothbrushes are gentle, yet highly effective, with the ability to whiten your teeth in just 1 week, compared to a manual toothbrush. If you've been on the hunt for a way to brighten your smile without harsh treatments, this might be just what you need. The pressure sensor is a fantastic addition, offering a gentle pulse that alerts you when you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums and enamel from potential damage. We all know that brushing too hard can lead to irritation, so this feature helps ensure you're brushing with the right amount of pressure every time. Both models come with a brush head replacement reminder, so you'll never forget when it's time for a new head. This is especially important because a worn-out brush head can lose effectiveness, leaving you with less than optimal results. You'll also find that these toothbrushes offer a highly customizable brushing experience with 3 intensities and 3 modes: clean, white, and gum care. Whether you're focusing on a deep clean, aiming for a whiter smile, or looking for extra care for your gums, these options allow you to tailor your brushing experience to suit your needs. Now, let's talk about real-world usage. These toothbrushes are incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The handle is ergonomic and feels comfortable in your hand, making brushing feel like less of a chore. I personally enjoyed using the clean mode for my daily brushing, but I also loved switching to the white mode for that extra brightness. The gum care mode is great if you're looking to give your gums a little more love, especially after a long day or when you're dealing with sensitivity. In terms of practicality, these toothbrushes are lightweight, and the travel case is a great bonus, especially if you're always on the go. It's sturdy and keeps everything organized while you're traveling. The only minor drawback is that the 6500 model does come at a higher price point, which might not justify the added features if you're just looking for a basic upgrade. However, if you're someone who values a high-tech brushing experience and wants more personalization, the 6500 could be a great fit. When it comes to pros and cons, there's a lot to love about these toothbrushes. The gentle whitening effect in just 1 week is a standout feature, and the pressure sensor adds peace of mind. The customization options make it easy to adapt to your own needs, whether it's a deeper clean or gentle care for your gums. The only con is the higher price point of the 6500 model, but for the features it offers, it may be worth the investment for those looking for a more advanced toothbrush. So, are these toothbrushes worth the money? Let's take a step back and consider the price versus the benefits. If you're used to manual brushing, this upgrade can be life-changing. For the price, you're getting a high-quality toothbrush that can help whiten your teeth, protect your gums, and give you a more personalized brushing experience. It's definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, but when compared to manual brushing, it's a game changer. As for alternatives, there are a number of other electric toothbrushes on the market at a lower price point, like the Oral-B Pro 1000, which offers similar features such as a pressure sensor and a clean mode, but with fewer customization options. If you're on a budget, that could be a solid option, though you might miss out on the advanced features these Philips models offer. When it comes to build quality, Philips has always been a reliable brand, and these models are no exception. The design is sleek and durable, and the brush heads are easy to change, with no complicated steps involved. I've been using both models for a while, and I'm confident in their longevity. They hold up well and maintain their performance over time, which is important for any product you plan to use daily. I haven't had any direct experience with customer service for these products, but Philips is generally known for its responsive customer service. If you have any issues or questions, their team is readily available to assist, which is always a plus. In conclusion, if you're looking for an electric toothbrush that offers gentle yet effective whitening, custom brushing modes, and reliable performance, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 6500 and 6100 are great choices. The 6500 is perfect for those who want more advanced features, while the 6100 is a solid option for a slightly more affordable price. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've tried any of these toothbrushes or have your own oral care must-haves, drop a comment below. Let's share tips and experiences with each other. And remember, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.